Our guest for today, Srimati Vani Prasad ma'am, Special Chief Secretary for YATC, who has been a great support for this event. Distinguished guests, hospitality leaders, investors and entrepreneurs. Very good afternoon to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today at the Weave 2026 event. And I'm also very glad that all of us here are catching up with the world's trends of destination weddings, where every destination has to tell a story. And but I also feel that we shouldn't look at this industry too narrowly. A wedding is no more seen as a one-day event, right? A wedding is tourism, it is hospitality, it is transport, it is decor, it is giving employment to hundreds of local businesses. And I also believe that Telangana and Hyderabad are also catching up with this trend right at pace. I believe that Telangana has a very unique advantage today in terms of wedding destinations. Telangana has a lot to offer, right from natural beauty to heritage to spiritual destinations and to many more undiscovered places like our Special Chief Secretary mentioned. It is truly the undiscovered gem of India today. And we at Telangana Tourism are also committed to provide an enabling ecosystem for all the wedding and hospitality events. Imagine having a pre-wedding event amidst the breathtaking waters of Nagarjuna Sagar, or imagine having an intimate wedding in the lush forests of Anantagiri Hills, or some serene celebrations by the waters of Laknavaram or Somashila. Not just this natural beauty, but we also have magnificent heritage. We have the beautiful Taramati Baradari monument, which tells stories spanning centuries. We have numerous forts, we have numerous palaces. All of these are just the right and perfect backdrop for wedding destinations today. So as Telangana Tourism, we do not just see this wedding tourism industry as a niche market, but we see it as a strategic opportunity. Every wedding gives work and employment opportunities to florists, to musicians, to chefs, to local businesses for local handicrafts. And I believe that wedding industry is one of the very few industries which has a multiplier effect. So I'm sure all of us have to join hands here to take this industry forward. And even today, if we see the wedding hosts or the couples that are getting married today, are not just looking for an event space or a venue. They're looking for experiences. Everyone wants their guests to experience the regional cuisine. They want them to experience the local handicrafts. Wellness tourism is gaining such traction these days. And Telangana has all of these and the right blend of all of these. So I invite all of you hospitality leaders, wedding planners who are here today, investors and industry leaders, to come join Telangana Tourism and in shaping this journey together. And as I said, Telangana Tourism is committed to provide an enabling ecosystem, and we can all work together to create experiences, to create livelihoods, and also to make a global brand identity for Wedding Telangana. With that, I would like the Weave organizers for giving me this. I would like to thank the Weave organizers for giving me this opportunity, and I congratulate the team for putting up such a great show again. Thank you, one and all.